Hey guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to give you a little update on my JLB Cheetah. I know everyone complains about the tires that come on the truck stock. I can attest they're not the best, not the worst, but they definitely struggle in some terrain. So I was looking online and I see a lot of people put the Badlands on there. I wanted to put something that was definitely grippier in the gravel and that kind of thing. So I looked around and I ended up going with the Duratrax 6-pack MT tire. And they are listed as 3.8, but I wasn't expecting this. Man, look at the size of those tires. Absolutely beastly. This is, I was a little worried that they actually weren't going to fit, and especially at the front with the steering, but I don't see any clearance issues. These are half-inch offset, listed as a 3.8, but certainly not. They measure 4 inches wide. Just to give you a little comparison, here's the stock tire compared to that. Now look at that. That much extra. So that'll definitely do it. ton more traction. I think it might stress the motor a little bit with those big tires. They're definitely heavier. The car has gotten heavier, and the bigger diameter might affect the gearing. In fact, I'm sure it will. Hopefully it doesn't burn the motor out. I'll just have to take it easy, and I'm sure the super wide tires will probably alter the way it steers. It'll probably understeer a little bit, but only time will tell. We'll just have to get out there and see that. Give you another look there. These were a little bit less than the Badlands. We'll just have to see how they perform. But man, that is a real monster truck. All right, let's get out there and see how this thing does. All right, there it is in its natural habitat out here with the new tires. They are monstrous. Still in the morning, it's about 37 degrees outside, so a little chilly. I think there was a frost. Where the sun's hitting, it's melting, but man, that looks good. Body fits no problem. Alright, still handles pretty well. Definitely still turns well. Seems to be gripping a little bit better here on this kind of loose over frozen. Still an uncontrollable beast though. Looks like that LED is on its last leg, but not a surprise. That's okay. I've had LiPo shut off here. The battery's done for today. Well, for now. I'm gonna go to work. Still happy with that. Definitely a huge improvement. Would highly recommend these tires. Super soft. Definitely makes the truck more capable. And the motor's definitely hot. Super hot. But as to be expected, I was running it kind of hard there in the end. Yeah, 100% love the tires. First thing I would buy. These are a great deal. The Duratrax 6-pack MT. They fit fine, get the 1/2-inch offset, and it'll take your Cheetah definitely to another level. Alright, thanks for watching, and stay updated. We'll be posting more. Cheers.